Ugh, it's a fucking touchpad. Fucking hell. Fuck. Fuck. I cannot work with this. I can't even fucking click now. Arrgh. This fucking piece of shit. Now, where was I at on this? It's way farther down. Where was I? I think it was right here. Probably right there if I had to guess.
Some good stability updates. Windows shutdown supplement. Oh, so they must have fixed the unstable shutdown thing, which I know Windows 98 had a tendency to have.
Stop moving around, mouse. See, I'm not touching the mouse right now. This is the touchpad doing its own thing, and I cannot edit the video when the mouse is moving across the fucking screen like this. Hence why videos have been delayed a lot. Just want to edit my video without the mouse going all over the screen. So that's why videos have been delayed, guys. So, hope you understand that there's been more live streams than videos lately because I've been trying to deal with this shit again. Where the touchpad decides it wants to go berserk. So, yeah. So hopefully videos like this one that I'm editing right now, or at least attempting to edit right now, can come up very soon. Although I don't know why it has the wrong library up there. It's supposed to be this one, but whatever. I'm working on it. Just taking forever because the damn touchpad doesn't want to work for me today.